Hey everyone, this is Electrolink. Today I am going to attempt to repair a laptop that one of my subscribers sent me. Firstly, the laptop is not detecting the hard drive, so I'll need to disassemble the internal hardware to investigate further. To determine if the internal hard drive is malfunctioning, I'll need to test it using an external hard drive case. As you can see, no drive is being detected, indicating that it is damaged. In this scenario, we can use either a new or old hard drive or SSD. I'm going to utilize my old functioning SSD and install Windows 10 on it. To install Windows 10, we will need an ISO file of Windows 10 and Rufus. The download link is provided in the description below. If you have an older laptop like this one, choose MBR, else choose GPT format and then select Windows to go. After that, click Start. Since I have already created installation media, I am cancelling this process. To keep this video short, I have skipped the installation process. It is pretty straightforward. Simply choose your language, country and other details and your Windows will be ready to use.